Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chinese New Year is just around the corner. So today's video, I would love to share with you my makeup look for Chinese New Year. Without further delay, let's get started. I'm starting with makeup primer that I got from Makeup Forever. This primer will hydrate and brighten my skin, and also it will make my makeup last longer. Next, I'm using Ultra HD foundation from Makeup Forever. I really love this foundation. It has medium coverage, lightweight texture, and it gives a flawless effect on my skin. I'm using concealer from Japanese brand Can-Make with shade number 1. I apply it under my eyes to brighten it up, and I blend it gently with a sponge. I'm using a pencil from Max Factor X to fill my eyebrow. Brush it with Colors My Eyebrow from Etude House. Then I reshape it with cotton bud filled with my foundation. I apply my eyeshadow primer from Makeup Revolution. I'm going to use my eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution as well. I start with these light colors and apply to the lid. Then apply dark color just above my crease and the outer V. Next, I apply shimmer gold color from Rimmel palette inside my inner lid. Then I use my brush to blend it well. I also use this shimmer gold liquid to contrast the gold color in my lid. For lower lash line, I apply the darker shade color that I use for my crease and shimmer wild gold that I got it from H&M. I apply black eyeliner from Rimmel to my upper lash line and also create a wing liner. I use brown eyeliner from DUP to draw a short line on my lower lash line because I'm not planning to apply fake eyelashes. For contouring, I use white shade from the palette to highlight the middle part area of my nose, and brown shade from Hoola Benefit to the lines between my nose. Then I also apply that brown shade underneath my cheekbone area. And for blush, I use California shade from Benefit that give pink peachy colors on my cheek. For highlight, I use Opal shade from Becca and I apply it underneath my eyes and brow bone area. I start to moisturize my lips with lip balm from Himalaya. Then I draw my lips line with red pencil from NYX. Then I fill it with my favorite red lipstick, Red Smile shade from Dior. Lastly, just use my lips brush to balance the colors. And my makeup is done. For final touch-up, I just brush my eyelashes because currently I'm having eyelash extension, so I rather not to apply fake eyelashes. So this is my final look for Chinese New Year. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Happy Chinese New Year, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!